water. The mermaids screamed again, and this time they began fighting each other. Soon, the lake water turned red, and in the end, they all turned into skeletons and sank. But after some time, the mermaid noticed one man was not affected by her voice. She quickly hid under water and silently watched him. At night, she slowly came closer to him. Maybe for the first time, she wanted human company. The next morning, when the man woke up, he was shocked to see her. He wanted to keep her with him, but her sharp scales hurt him. When he looked closely, he realized the scales were actually made of gold. Greed took over, and he dragged her into strong currents. Both of them struggled in the water. Even the jewelry on her lips cut him, but he still didn't stop. The mermaid thought it was love, but then the man knocked her unconscious. He removed all her jewelry and threw her into the river. In truth, he only wanted her jewelry from the beginning. The most shocking part was that the man was not affected by her voice because he was deaf. This was the richest mermaid in the lake. She was covered in expensive jewelry from head to toe. One day, she was dancing above the water. Some thieves saw her. The mermaid screamed loudly, and as soon as they heard her,
They just caught a billionaire hiding the last Titana boa on Earth, and it is actually terrible. The Titana boa is the deadliest snake.
Are you sleepy na?
Everyone thought was entirely extinct, but rumors
Say hi. Say hi. What are you talking about?
The brain. I got the best brain rot in the game.
The explosive one.
Exclusive, not
Exclusive, not explosive.
yes, exclusive. And then is Dragon Caninoli and it's the best.
Tung sahur.
No, it's Dragon Caninoli is the best. It's the best brain rot in the game.
You have one?
Yes.
You had?
No, I have it. I only have one because it's so rare and it's fun.
But it's rare.
Yes. It's so rare, it takes forever for it to spawn in
Okay.
the base.
So what you gonna do first?
Get the magic carpet and get it. I will fly with it. And then I was like, this is the best day. And then I saw something. It was called Pepe. It was an exclusive piece. And then I got a Chicleterina, Bicicleterina, and then was a girl version of Chicleterina.
Wow, so many.
It's a godly.
It's a godly pa. How many your money done?
Na, I cannot, I don't remember, but it's so much. It's in the trillions.
Wow.
I'm sorry.
Give ko yung map.
Okay, do you have Roblox?
I don't have.
And then how am I supposed to give you brain rot?
It's a joke for me.
A billionaire hiding the last Titana boa daw.
Is Titana boa ba yan?
Yes, it's a big snake.
Hmm.
One billionaire is hiding the last,
It's entirely stink eh.
but he gets the last Titana boa. It's the last.
Come on, Philip. Tell me how it's going. Tell me how it's going.
They are talking about a billionaire is hiding the last Titana boa. It's instinct, but is hiding it in a cage. And then the FBI come there and then try to find it, but they find no evidence.
Oh.
And then they saw a secret door and they open it. And then what's inside was fully night view. Was a giant Titana boa.
Other story. Scroll up.
The man just washed his hair, only to find all the fish in the river floating belly up. So that night, he enjoyed a big grilled.
There was a rich mermaid, and then hunters see it and then tried to attack her. But the rich
Mermaid.
shouted and then say them to touch hands and then they did. And then when the rich mermaid shouts again, they all fight and then all is left is skeleton. But other guy doesn't fight because that things doesn't affect him. And then he falls asleep right there. And then
Okay, ano mo na, aras mo na.
and then the rich really come.
Hinihingal ka na eh. You know hingal?
No,
It's pagod.
no,
Start.
no.
The man just washed his
And
hair, only
when
to
the
find all
man
the fish in the
wake up.
river floating belly up. So that night, he enjoyed a big grilled fish feast while the man was sleeping.
Don't know.
The new recruit raised his rifle. He aimed at it.
The man,
The new recruit. You probably weren't wondering this, but
You know the Inunaki Tunnel
I don't know.
is from Japan.
Japan?
Yes. And the Inunaki Tunnel is dangerous. If you try to look inside with your phone, you will just glitch and then you will just crash your phone.
Hmm?
Because people go there, they never come back.
Oh, it's dangerous. Eh, di, I don't have phone na eh.
And then,
he accidentally hit the chandelier.
and then whose phone that? Yours?
Yeah.
And it, and then there was a guy having a dog, and then the dog ran inside the dog ran inside a tunnel, but didn't know was the Inunaki tunnel. And then inside there was a blind man holding something, and then just doing this to the wall, and then was going towards.
You know that movie, Free Guy? I watch it. I already watched.
I would return from death again. After all, I was just an NPC with it.
NPC?
As he was opening a bottle of wine, he accidentally hit the chandelier hanging from the ceiling. The falling crystal pieces struck the glass, shattering. Meanwhile, people on the dance floor continued to revel, completely unaware that death was quietly creeping in. The heavy rivets began to fall off in that very moment. All it took was a single trigger to set off a chain of events. That trigger was a coin. One
Do you know how I get all of the brain rots in the
Due to the
game?
tremendous centrifugal force, the coin
And I grinded for all of them. I didn't beg. I just grinded. I didn't beg. And I got all by myself by just grinding.
Wow.
And I don't beg.
then a long-planned disaster unfolded. Dozens of people fell from 10,000
I don't beg, and then I start to give poor people good brain rots because I was too rich. Because I'm nice in Roblox.
They couldn't avoid the judgment of fate. By this time, chaos had
Okay, I'll talk about another.
all directions. But in the confusion,
It's called Hacker Tycoon, and then the creator of the game is a real hacker. Once you play that game, you get banned instantly.
but the explosion didn't destroy the whole hall.
The game where you flunk people and have the magic where you just flunk people and then there is houses to claim so you can build. And then there was a hacker. And then when he grabbed me, he threw me out of the map. Was more far. Was so far I cannot even see anything. And then when I played the game again, I found a secret base.
Secret what?
Base. And was a rock. And then I
A
went.
rock?
Yes, me and my friends go inside, and then my phone was low bat, and then now I couldn't. And then I joined back and find it. And then I made friends again.
How many friends do you have?
I have so many friends.
So many?
No, I make so many friends, but when I friend request them, they don't know how to accept friends.
That's why.
Yeah, that's why I have a little bit friends.
Okay.
Egg dog scammer. egg dog scammer.
It's a rare or a common?
The egg dog scammer. Egg dog scammer is only an admin brainwash in the game. Huh? Tubers 93. Let's talk about the best hacker in Roblox. The best hacker is Tubers93. Was a big hacker and then team up with his minions and then hack Meat City and then there is dark things that I cannot talk about and then jump scares. If you try to leave the game, will just won't let you leave.
Can I see remote?
And then we'll just make you join back. We'll
Ah.
just make you join back.
Remote had sensor.
And then Tubers 93, everyone thought they were done and then
And then what?
Tubers 93 felt tired. And then he turned night and started giving Robux. And then said he was tired and then he's not doing Robux anymore. That's the best happen.
Echo!
Echo's blind so he doesn't know that's you. He's blind.
Oo nga pala.
Guys, what was that? I think something
Philip, how old are you?
Let's see what it is. Be careful. It might be dangerous. Where's my phone? I need to record this. This can't be real. Welcome everyone to
Philip.
Zoo or
Say bye-bye na.
Be a zoo
Bye-bye.
or
Bye-bye guys.